Coleslaw, a beautiful salad that you can try with few ingredients and it tastes beautiful. Goes well with meat or even fish. These are the ingredients for the salad. I'm using 2 colors of cabbage, parsley and 1 carrot, half of an onion and some lemon or lime juice, salt and pepper to your taste, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Coleslaw recipe is different from chef to chef, so you will find different recipes and I can guarantee this recipe tastes beautiful. So let's do it. So this is my style of coleslaw. I always wash the cabbage after grating. Wash it thoroughly. If you are using the knife has to be very sharp and you have to slice it finely. I always use the knife for the coleslaw. I find it looks much better. Now let's do the purple cabbage. Mix both together and see whether the color matches perfectly. So I think this is enough. The purple cabbage always less, so it balances the colors. Now using a sharp grater, grate the carrots. I'm going to wash the cabbage first. The reason why you need to wash the cabbage thoroughly, because they use lots of chemicals to grow the cabbage, so it can go inside the leaves too. Add the carrot into it. Now let's cut the onion. Cut the onion finely. Add the onion. Now I'm going to chop the parsley finely. Add in. Now squeeze the lime. Next pepper and a tablespoonful mayonnaise. You can add more if you like more creaminess. Mix well. If you want to do this for the next day, you can always chop the vegetables and leave it in the fridge and do the dressing last minute. So it's ready. A nice beautiful salad in 5 minutes. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.